Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Infinix Note 40 for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside there's no simple or senior mode, that means we need to adjust all of the settings manually. So to do that, you will need to scroll all the way down inside the settings, enter the system and go for accessibility. Right here we can select text and the display. Go for the font size and I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Then we can go back. There's color correction, color inversion. If you need one or both of those settings, you can enable them. I'm gonna skip them. Then there's remove animations. It will reduce motion sickness when using your phone because all of the animations should be removed. Then there's a high contrast text. When enabled, it adds a black outline to all of the text and it's mostly visible on the home screen. Then we can go back and select magnification. When activated, you should get this floating icon. When clicked on, you will enter magnification mode. You can click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the same icon. And honestly, that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. You can experiment here even more if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.